Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to point Porkbun domain to VPS servers, a record. Step number 1, log into your Porkbun account and arrive at the domain management screen. Click on the account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate your domain and click details drop-down list to the right on the menu that appears. Click the edit icon to DNS records. On the Manage DNS Records screen, scroll down and locate any alias, CNAME, or A records that are currently pointing at the wrong web server. Click the trash icons to the right of the old records to remove them. Scroll up to the top of the Manage DNS Records screen to add the correct A records. Generally, you want one record for request for www.yourdomain.example and one for yourdomain.example. Here's what you want to enter for the first record. Type a-address record, host www, and for the answer, this will be the IP address provided by your web host. After entering the information for the record, click the Add button to finish adding it to the domain. Click the X icon in the top right of the pop-up box to close the Manage DNS Records window. Changing A records may take a few minutes to go into effect. After about 5 minutes, web browser's request for your domain will begin routing directly to your website. That's it. Thanks for watching.